7 signs weight loss shakes aren't that great. Number 1, they are very socially isolating. Can you imagine your friend just calls you up saying, hey, do you want to get brunch? And you're like, oh, I can't because I have to have this liquid shake because I'm on this weight loss journey or whatever. So over time, you might feel really disconnected from friends and really isolating. And when you're on a new healthy lifestyle or weight loss journey, you need your friend support with you. Number 2, nothing can beat real whole food. The fiber you get from whole food, the omega-3 fats from oily fish, nothing can beat it. The whole chewing process and the vitamins encased into the whole food, nothing can compare to that. You can't really get the same effect in a pill or a shake. Number 3, it is not that exciting or satisfying. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't wake up in bed excited for my breakfast shake. What makes me excited is having my overnight oats or poached eggs. So there's that element too. If you're the type of person who's not bothered about food and you don't live to eat, then maybe you can handle it. But for me and the Nutritionist for Foodies, and yeah, it's just not that exciting. Next is you lose your connection with food and where it's come from and the seasons, and it doesn't teach you anything about good nutrition, balancing your plate, cooking skills as well. Like, it's important I believe it's important to cook the food. I think it's such an essential life skill to have, and I think if you can't cook, it is quite difficult to have a healthy lifestyle, and also your kids will model your behavior. And if they see you on weight loss shakes, I wonder what that does to them psychologically, and the importance of looks rather than health and a lifestyle. And that brings me on to the next point, is that it's not a long-term thing. So when you come off the weight loss shakes, it must be quite overwhelming to be faced in the real world where you have to make decisions. You've got a lot of food options out there, a lot of different recipes, so that can be quite overwhelming. If you do go for shakes, there's a lot of choice out there. Some of them aren't as great or healthy as some. So some might be packed full of chemicals, or preservatives or sweeteners. So you've got to choose wisely. If you are serious about losing weight with delicious healthy food, then go to my description, download a 3-day meal plan and an exercise masterclass. It will come to your email right away as soon as you put your name and email in, and enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video.